Sabi Africa. No Africa. No Africans. Pioneering role in science, engineering, and technology.
Sabi African Network, illuminating Africa's narrative as pioneers in science, engineering, and technology.
Low-tech, high-impact African kinetic water lifting devices and the ethics of mechanical advantage. Do you know that long before the Industrial Revolution, Africa engineered one of the world's most elegant water technologies, machines powered not by fuel but by rhythm, balance, and human insight? From Egypt's Nile to Ghana's Rift Valley, Africans mastered mechanical advantage centuries before the phrase existed, lifting water with levers, wheels, ropes, and washers, turning simplicity into sustainability. In Africa, water is more than a resource, it is destiny. To lift it from rivers and wells demanded both physics and philosophy. From the fertile floodplains of the Nile to the arid Sahel, communities built innovative kinetic devices crafted from wood, rope, and stone that multiplied human strength and made irrigation an act of harmony with nature. Meet the Shadoof, Africa's ancient hand-lift marvel, a simple lever, a counterweight, a bucket, yet a masterpiece of physics. By balancing torque around a fulcrum, it allows one person to lift over 100 liters per minute, thereby turning raw muscle into measured power. Its design optimizes human energy through mechanical advantage, the same principle that drives cranes and hydraulic arms today. Then came the sakia, or Persian wheel, a rotational upgrade to the lever. Buckets attached to a rotating wheel lifted continuous streams of water as donkeys or oxen walked in patient circles. It transformed linear motion into rotary power centuries before engines did. Each turn a proof of Africa's early understanding of kinetic conversion and continuous flow systems. Fast forward to the 20th century and meet the rope and washer pump. A continuous loop of rope fitted with washers moves inside a riser pipe. As each washer ascends, it traps and lifts a column of water. It is an elegant, low-cost, positive displacement system that is efficient, repairable, and perfectly tuned for smallholder irrigation. In engineering terms, it is Africa's answer to sustainable hydraulics. Science confirms what tradition taught: efficiency thrives in simplicity. A well-tuned Shadoof can reach 60% mechanical efficiency, lifting water up to 6 meters high. Rope pumps with proper sealing and tolerances rival commercial hand pumps in liters per minute. When ergonomics and counterweights are optimized, even human-powered systems sustain long hours of field use, proof that design can respect the body as much as physics. In the Nile Basin, Egypt and Sudan's farmers still use the Shadoof, not as nostalgia but as a necessity. In Kenya's Rift Valley and Ghana's northern plains, rope pumps built by local artisans irrigate family gardens and microfarms. The success lies not only in design but in community systems, local supply chains, training hubs, and water committees. Technology endures when people own it. In a world obsessed with automation, these humble devices whisper an ethical truth. Appropriate technology is not backward, it is profoundly forward-thinking. Low embodied energy, zero emissions, and community control, this is ethical engineering in motion. Africa teaches that technology should empower, not exploit, sustain, not deplete. Tomorrow's breakthroughs won't replace these systems, they will refine them. Imagine rope pumps with polymer washers that last longer, pedal or solar assist to increase flow, and digital supply maps connecting artisans across Africa. This is not low tech, it's right tech where design meets dignity and innovation stays rooted in the soil it serves. Across Africa, water still flows at the pace of human hands, deliberate, sustainable, and wise. The Shaduf, the Sakia, and the rope and washer pump prove that true innovation is not about complexity, it is about continuity. When technology respects both physics and people, it becomes ethical power. Africa does not imitate progress, it defines it.